because Anna is singular. And then the next is she brings her umbrella. So what is the subject here? She. Is the subject here singular or plural? Singular. Okay, very good. So what is the verb here? Brings. Okay, so the verb here has S because the subject is singular. And then the next is he washes his hands. So what is the subject here? He. Okay, very good. So do we have to add S to the verb? Yes, because the subject is singular. And also, we don't need to add S when the subject is plural. So here in the column B, as you can see, it says they walk to school. So what is the subject here? They. Okay, very good. So do we have to add S to the verb? No, because the subject is plural. Okay, very good. And then the next is the children wash their hands. So what is the subject here? The children. So do we have to add S to the verb? No, because the subject is plural. Okay, very good. And now, to deepen your understanding, we have here Teacher Geraldine and she prepares another set of activities.
Let us now proceed to our next activity. I will divide the class into 3 groups. This will be the group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. Your task is to write one sentence of each picture using the correct forms of verb. This will be the group 1 for group 1, for group 2, and for group 3. Just write your answer below the space provided. Alright, I will give you 5 minutes to complete the task. Okay? Okay. Let me now start answering. Are you done? Alright, very good. Just pass your paper forward, please. Alright. So now, let's have another set of activity or assessment. I read the direction first. Underline the correct form of the verb. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to complete the task. Alright? Okay. Are you done? Alright, so now let's check your answers. Number 1. Please read. She cleans her room. What's the correct answer? She is singular. And the correct answer is cleans. Number 2. They eat fruits every day. They is plural. And the correct answer is eat. Number 3. Anna brings her bag. Anna is singular. And the correct answer is brings. Number 4. The boys plays outside. What is the correct answer? Plays. Play. Number 5. Marge comb her hair. Marge is singular and the correct answer is combs. Alright. Kindly pass your papers forward, please. And now, thank you. Now, Teacher Therese will continue the assignments. Okay?
Okay, now let's proceed to our assignment. Directions. Write 2 sentences using the correct S form of the verb. Choose from any of these actions: eating, brushing, cleaning, playing, and watering. But before you are going to answer your assignment, read the direction and understand carefully so that you can answer it properly. Okay? But before we end our lesson, we have a little wrap up about what they discussed. So, when do we add s on the verb? We add s in the verb if the subject is singular. And when we do not add s in the verb, we do not add s in the verb when the subject is plural. Okay. Always remember that we add s in the verb if the subject is one person. And we do not add s if the subject is more than one. Always remember that, class, okay? Very good. That will be all, class. Thank you.